Day 1, 7 in the morning. Maya has the project open and a full cup of coffee. Cedar Gate, ED door to doctor time. 1 problem statement carried in from the register, and 19 empty fields around it. Here is the thing about day 1. A project without numbers is just an opinion. So today, 3 jobs: give the charter its numbers, give the timeline its dates, and get the right people in the room. Watch. This is the project charter in LeanProjax. Maya clicks edit and starts at the top. The team: sponsor, Daniel Rossi; process owner, Priya Nair; program management, Maya herself; and the core team, James, Thomas, and Hannah. Then the overview. Strategic alignment. Patient safety first, accreditation on the line. The problem statement is already here. It traveled from the register, the business case. Long waits drive walkouts, clinical risk, and an accreditation finding. The goal: specific and measurable. Cut median door to doctor from 94 to 30 minutes by November 21st. Deliverables: a measured baseline, a redesigned flow, a control system. Now, the part that starts arguments: scope, in scope. The journey from the front door to the first physician contact, walk-ins and ambulance 24/7, out of scope. Everything after the admission decision and the lab's internal processes. That is a separate project. Drivers, benefits, leverage, risks, constraints, assumptions, stakeholders. Every box gets an honest sentence, then save. Look at the counter. 19 of 19 fields, 100%. And now Maya can flip the first switch, charter, complete. 1 section down. About that scope fight, James wanted admission boarding included. Priya said triage only. Hannah said none of it would matter anyway. Maya's rule settled it. A project that includes everything, delivers nothing. Door to first doctor, nothing more, nothing less. Everyone can live with a clear line. Clear. Next, the timeline. 5 phases, 5 rows. Define the first 2 weeks of August. Milestone, charter signed, and baseline data pulled. Measure through early September. The true door to doctor baseline from shadowing and from system data. Analyze to late September. Root causes proven, not guessed. Improve through late October. Pilot the new flow and prove the gain. And control closing on November 21st. 10 days before the accreditation visit. On purpose. Now click the Plan tab, and there it is, a live Gantt chart drawn straight from the schedule. Every phase on track. Today's line already on the move. This chart will update itself for the rest of the project. Plan complete. 2 sections down. Last job of day 1. The people. Maya opens members and shares the project. Priya Nair, contributor. She will run the floor work. Send Dr. James Okafor, contributor. The physicians answer to evidence and to him. Send Thomas Silva, contributor. He owns the data. Send. And Hannah Berg. Hannah gets viewer access for now. 10 years of watching fixes fail earns you a front row seat. Convince Hannah and you have convinced the whole night shift. The team is in the room. Day 1 is done. A charter with numbers, a timeline with dates, a team with names. Tomorrow, the uncomfortable part, asking patients what waiting actually feels like and hearing answers nobody puts on a poster. The voice of the customer. Next episode. 119 days on the clock. See you in the next one.